Hello, this is a step-by-step presentation of how to create a collaborate session in Blackboard. Open your Blackboard class and scroll down the menu until you find the menu choice Course Tools. Click on Course Tools and the system will open a new window, a new pane, in which one of the tools will be Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Click on this Blackboard Collaborate Ultra to start the creation of a session. Blackboard will open and display the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra window, in which you see the Create Session buttons, and this is the area in which you can start creating a new session. After you click the Create Session button, the system will open a new pane to the right of this button, and in this new pane you have to specify the session details and information. On the top here you enter the name that you want to give to the session. I usually give the number of the course followed by the section, but it is your choice what to name it. Usually below where it says the guest access, I leave it on if I want to give access to people other than my students. My students automatically they will have access via the Blackboard, but sometimes you may want to give access to guests, and if that's the case you click here to copy the link and then you provide the link via email or in another way to the people that they are not your students, but maybe you would like to attend your session. In the event details, you have to specify the start and ending time of the session, and the system by default will enter the current date and time, and of course you may want to go into those fields and change the values. Here at the event details you specify the date and the time you want the session to start and end. In this example, as you see, I have classes Mondays and Wednesdays, so I specify March 23rd, which is a Monday. I would like my session to start at 8:10, which coincides with the time that my class starts. And of course I want the session to end the same date but at 10:30, 2 hours. Actually the default was 10:30. I want to change that to 10:10 because my class ends 2 hours later. In case your event details window closes, then you can reopen it again by going to this circle and click to open the menu and see the available choices. If you click edit, you go back to the editing mode. Here I'm going to click edit and go back to continue specifying my session details. I'm back to my event details and I have changed the ending time to 10 a.m., 2 hours after the beginning. I select and I click repeat session because my class happened twice every week. So I leave repeat session, repeat weekly, and repeat that time twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays as I indicate here. Additionally, I ask the system to replicate that session 15 times, so it will take me towards the end of the semester, and I allow the participants to see and enter my session, my collaborate session 15 minutes before the start time, and you can change that value to half an hour or no time, up to you what settings meet your needs. After I have specified all this information, I'm ready to save my session. So I click save, and by save I indicate that at that time I'm finished with setting up the collaborate session. Of course, I can go back anytime and edit all the value. As soon as your system saves your session, you return to the sessions list, and in this list you see your session with the title and the time frame that you have specified. And of course, to the right of your session is the tool that if you click, you can go back and edit the details of your session. Thank you for viewing this session, and please let me know if you have any questions.